Hi there, I'm Jim Mancuso. I'm the Theological Librarian here at Rockbridge Seminary. I'm doing this video as a way of reaching you students because I can't be there in person. At least I can be in a video that you'll see on the internet. What I want to do is talk to you in these 4 videos, this being the first, and I'll do 3 after this, about how to do a research paper, a little bit about why we do them, and try to give you some advice on how to do it to make you more successful and give you a better experience in doing research papers for Rockbridge. So first of all, I want to talk for just a minute or two about why you're doing one. Most of the time, when you're researching something, you come across information that you've never seen before. And by doing a paper, you're able to condense and compile and put all that information into a very logical sequence that you can use later on. It isn't a torment. It isn't done just to punish you. It isn't to make you unhappy. It's to help you with your learning experience. When you do a research paper, you'll spend some time thinking about what it is that you want to prove. Then you're going to spend some time finding the things that will do that, and obviously spend a lot of time writing it and creating that paper, making it something that is able to put in one place what you've learned. So if you think about it that way, a research paper is something that you should be able to tackle one piece at a time. Don't try to do the whole thing all at once, because that just isn't a successful or pleasant way to do it. Obviously, the best advice I can give you is don't wait till the last minute. Any of us who have ever waited to the last minute will tell you it's not the way to do it. So if you get started early on in the 8-week term that you have, in working on the research paper, thinking about it, planning times that you're going to set aside for working on it, it'll be a much happier experience for you. If you've never done one before, you're starting at ground zero. I have a document there that you'll see in the Rockbridge Library that explains exactly how to do a research paper from start to finish. I think by watching these videos, though, you'll also get a feel for the sorts of things that I would teach you if I was standing in person and teaching a class about this. So, with all that said, remember that when you do your research paper, you are doing an assignment, you're doing something for a professor. That professor is going to look at it, grade it. The other people in your class may be reading it, looking at it, and giving comments also. Think of it as a way to be a blessing to the people that are reading it. And think of this as your opportunity to add to the body of knowledge that there is out there. This is your chance to learn, to become an expert in one particular area, whether it has to do with missions, Christian education, worship styles, the worship experience, discipleship, training, Christian ed, music, whatever it is that you've been assigned. Make sure that when you do that paper, it's something that you have a burning passion for, and that'll show. The paper will be something that you're proud of, something that you're proud to hand in. You'll be glad that you did it. Of course, you'll be glad that it's over. But you'll also be glad to see when you get responses and comments back from the professor and your fellow students, it'll give you a sense that you've really done something that you're proud of, and that's a good thing. So, for Rockbridge, again, I'm Mr. Mancuso, your Theological Librarian. Take a look at the next 3 videos.